Alright, so that's the drawer I just took out, and I just add on these teak. So that's a beautiful place where I could cut some stuff. There's some groove here, so any leaking liquid will leak over here better than this. This is food graded at least. So that's first thing first. Then second, I didn't want to go all the way through. So that's going to be a place where I could put my knife or whatsoever. Meanwhile, I'm cutting some stuff over there. So that's the first step. Drawer is still there, so for sure it's going to go underneath. But right now it's there, and so that's the top plate. Now I used to put normally here my stove, but the stove will be on the tire carrier. Make sure you follow this. Now here, it's just a little example. That's another thing. Here I used to have a green plano case over there, which I didn't like it at all. It was actually used for my utensil, cutting knife, and so on, and now it's going to be utilized for something else. All my cutting tools, I'm just going to move that so you can see it. Sorry for this. Alright, so just to show you, this used to open that way. Now I changed it to open this way, much more easier. Under this you've got this, and I put this wood from dollar store, and now I could put my plates and stuff like that. So that's a beautiful place. Initially it was for the battery, second battery, but now it looks like that's gonna be it. And I think I'm gonna put some strut on that so it could stay open, because this is pretty annoying when I'm trying to get something in that cubby. Also underneath, that place is actually for the utensil. This is for the easy peasy grab and go. And here is actually miscellaneous for the truck. So UCO. Very good. I like it very much. You've got some light stick. This is actually for the I will say it, propane detector. I'm looking for my word right now, but that's what it is. Then I've got shampoo and soap and lighter and so on, manicular. So that's what it is. So that's what it is for this thing. Now I'm pretty happy with the result right now. I'm gonna try it on, see what's going on, and this thing will be in my truck as usual, but we'll try it on. Here I got a space, let me know in the comments, but I have, so here is the place where I'm gonna put my spice, I think. So maybe stainless steel rods, stuff like that, I think. Now it's gonna be pretty difficult to put it there. Maybe I'm just gonna put a groove down the way and drop the rod over there. I don't know. Let me know in the comments so what you think. And the rest, yeah, two-tone furniture, and I like it. Let me know what you think. That was a short video. My name is Sebastian from Overland Subaru International. I hope you like it.